What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we've got two products from Shine Armor. So on the left we have the graphene ceramic spray, and on the right we have the all-purpose interior cleaner. So with the graphene spray, you can use this on your vehicle after a fresh wash to keep that paint looking nice and crispy. Now on this interior cleaner, we've got anti-static, sun-blocking agents. You can use this on vinyl, you can use it on leather, you can use it on plastic. I'm telling you, Shine Armor has the whole gamut covered. So, as you can see, both of these products work very well. You've got one for the exterior and one for the interior. These are for those auto enthusiasts that love to keep their vehicles clean. I will leave a link in the description so you can pick up your Shine Armor product today.